let's kick things off with Binance. The BNB token is rebounding after dropping sharply on an unverified rumor that CZ faced an international law enforcement request to detain him. Emily, I see this tweet was from the private Twitter account of a crypto influencer, Kobe, and the message was actually encrypted, but traders are acting on it.
Yeah, I think that's really the point here. Obviously, we can't really speak to the veracity of this rumor, but it just shows the impact that rumors, that Twitter, social media can have on crypto markets. It can still take a real toll on prices.
Yeah, and on Twitter, the Binance chief strategy officer, Patrick Hillman, who we all know and has been on the show before, he said that regarding the rumor, one of two things is true. One, it's BS. Two, a law enforcement agent is illegally leaking elements of a case file, but he added, my bet is number one. Meanwhile, this comes as Binance's market share hits its lowest since November, Lawrence, after that CFTC lawsuit handed over to Binance and CZ, according to Kaiko data. What's going on there?
Yeah, this is the funny thing. Let's be sure. Let's be clear about what that means. That means it's only just half of the market, just half of the centralized exchanges. It's like, it fell. It didn't fall to zero. It fell to half from 70%. I mean, this isn't like it's not like the end of Binance. But what's even funnier, if you would call it that, is that in the U.S., Binance's market share actually increased. And Coinbase's decreased in that time. So, I guess people are trading in Binance. Now, the question is, why are they trading in Binance US? Are they taking their funds out? Are they, did that cause a spike in activity on Binance? And that, of course, shows up as volume because if they're, trying to clear out or move things around, that's a different thing. But nonetheless, that is what we saw. So you had this spike in activity in the US for Binance, but a decrease in activity globally. It's still, half the market. So
still pretty substantial.
Yes, it's still key.